Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick informed video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Cricket Wireless and the offers that they have, to offer you guys for porting in or switching over to Cricket Wireless. So we'll be talking about, pricing and requirements, of course, and possible end date if they have one shown. So let's get into it, guys. I know I'm in my workout clothes. I just came back from the gym, so yeah, don't mind that. Making this video is more important than anything. So let's get into it. So if you go right now to cricketwireless.com, you can check this out. So it's a BFD. So it says our biggest phone sell ever. That's a big friendly deal. So BFD, big friendly deal. That's what it stands for. It says get a free LG, Samsung, or Motorola smartphone when you switch to Cricket. So right there, it's telling you, like I said, that's what I like about Cricket. Yes, their prices are pretty overpriced, to tell you the truth, and expensive, but at least they're upfront with you, and then, fine print says must port in and activate new line on minimum $30 a month voice plan, varies by device, first month service charge and taxes due to sale, restrictions apply. So like I said, there are some restrictions there. Then let's go ahead and see more of this deal. Here we go. Now we can actually see which phones they're talking about. So it says, for those who like living on the fast lane, activate a minimum of $60 monthly plan and get a select smartphone, our treat. So you have to port your number in to Cricket Wireless. It has to be from a competing carrier, can't be AT&T related. So if you do $60 a month, you have to do at least a minimum of $60 a month or higher to get this. So anything a little cheaper than that, you will not qualify for this. But still, like I say, you're getting a pretty good deal, so why not get the more expensive plan? And later on, you can, lower the plan if you want. It says, here's some of the phones that they have to offer. It's an LG Stylo 5. It's a really good phone, came out, for $0 down, or $0 you can get for free, technically, if you port in. Original price is $229.99 or $230, which is about right when it came out. The Samsung Galaxy A10e, you can get the same thing for $0 and 0 cents. Original price is $149.99. Same thing's about right when it came out. The Moto G7 Supra. Now this one, we've seen it many times be offered for free, but still it's on here. So you can choose for LG, Samsung, or Motorola. Like I said, Motorola, same thing, you can get for $0 if you port in. And then Cricket likes to say that no annual contracts, no credit check, of course it's prepaid, no hidden fees, and no stress. Here's some other things here. So for those who like to live unlimited, activate a minimum $55 a month plan. So like I said, minimum $55, and get a select smartphone or treat. Here, of course, with a cheaper plan, you get cheaper phones. The LG Escape Plus, you get it for free, but it did retail for $120. So I mean, I don't know if I would pay $120 for that thing, but the Nokia 3.1C you get for free, or original price is about $140. The Alcatel Onyx, same thing, you get it for $0 and 0 cents. Original price is $120. So here's other choices that they have if you don't want the more expensive plan. But for $5 more and better phones, why wouldn't you go with these? These are a lot better than these. So I don't know. And then even if you're on a more of a restrictive budget, then of course they have even cheaper plans. And of course you can still get free phones. So that's what's pretty cool with Cricket. They give you a variety. So it's like, high, medium, and low range phones. So right now we're at the low. So it says, for those who keep it smile, activate a minimum of $30 monthly plan and get a select smartphone or treat. LG Fortune 2 for $0. Original price is $200. Or I mean $100, my bad. $200 for that thing. Yeah, okay. So yeah, $100. A Samsung Galaxy J2 Pure, it's same thing, free. Original price is about $120. And then the Alcatel Insight, you can get it for free. Same thing, it is original price is $80. So as you can tell, these are very budget devices at these prices. So yeah. Now another cool thing is they do offer 15 gigs of hotspot. This of course is with the $60 a month plan. So if you don't get the $60 unlimited plan, you will not get it. But for $60 a month, you get unlimited data. It's pretty fast data at that. But 15 gigs of hotspot. Says coverage not available everywhere. Remember, Cricket Wireless runs off of AT&T. Cricket may slow down speeds when networks congested. So if you're in a very busy either concert or, wherever there's a lot of people, festivals, fairs. Your speeds will be slower at those times, but once you go back home or somewhere where it's not as congested, your speeds will go back up. So that's pretty cool, guys. That's just some things right there. Now remember, they might offer, or that might charge you activation fees, sales tax, everything are due at the time of purchase, so just be worried about that. And yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think. Like I said, as long as you don't have AT&T or anything that uses their coverage or their signal, you can port your number into Cricket and get these deals. So like I said, do check your coverage, because AT&T, even though it's like the second biggest carrier, some areas might not have coverage. So just check it out. So now I want to give a shout out to our supporter, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension. I'll find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Adidas. Now I just bought some shoes and it saved me $10, guys. So that's a pretty good deal. Amazon, Boost Mobile, Cricket, Best Buy, you name it, they'll save you some money. So check it out in the description below. It is joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic. Will be in the description below. Once you hit that link and install it on your browser, it's totally free, costs you nothing, and saves you money. I will get a small commission. So check it out. Thank you.